Hi fams, let's make chicken sauce together for dinner. So here I had already seasoned and steamed my chicken. I did that off camera. So at this point now I'm just adding my prawns in. And then I also added my veggies as well. So here I'm adding my soya sauce and my oyster sauce in. And then I also added my cornstarch for thickener. So yeah, I'm just adding in my bell peppers. So this recipe is a very quick and easy recipe, and you can actually pair yours with white rice or spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
Who asked you to put your mouth? So I paired mine with white rice. Bon appetit.